Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki e-VITARA. In this video I'll show you how to check Windows manufacture date. To check Windows manufacture date, take a look at any window. All windows in the corner are equipped with this special code. On the end of the code you can find dots and number. Sometimes it's not number, it's pair of letters. In this case, we've got CF and 5 dots. The dot indicate the month of production and CF indicate year of production. Look it up, which year was it manufactured in. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.